Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect kit to make a whole bunch of Eras friendship bracelets?
El Galeon thought of everything with this friendship bracelet making kit. This is the albums version. So you'll see that it has letters with every album name. It comes with instructions, with string, with mixed letters, and then each little bag is a color that goes with every era. So it has everything you need and it's so organized that you are able to make all of the album names into bracelets. You're able to make all of the eras with the matching fun colors. And it's just the perfect little kit. You're able to make over 20 friendship bracelets. And I just love it because everything is so organized and it has everything that I need. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. And you even have dividers where you can actually organize the kit itself, which I thought was an amazing touch. So I didn't lose any beads. The elastic itself for the bracelets is nice and strong, which I really appreciate. I'm having so much fun with this kit. I got this because I am having an Eras inspired little party and I wanted to give my friends Eras bracelets. So this is so perfect because it has everything I need for those album names. It has some extra beads so I can customize things a little bit. And it's just so much fun to make these bracelets. So if you want a kit that's going to have everything you need to make all of the eras, this is definitely the one. I am so impressed with the quality and the thoughtfulness that went into this.
But that's just my point of view.